Hi everyone, you know me, Jen. I'm doing a little video today just to show you that I finally finished the van. It's been 13 months of really solid grind, not only fighting the weather or working with it, it's also been a lot of courage of problem solving and working out why things wouldn't work or how they could work, and trying to stay focused and working throughout and retaining that vision of what it could be. And I'm here to tell you I'm really happy with the results, and I'm glad I did this because I now own all of this, and it means I can use it now whenever I want. And we're on the eve, a few days away from our first adventure for a few days up to Gloucester. It's wonderful to have a little mothership escape pod, as I call it, or my daughter calls it, and just be able to have that time out from the busy life that we all lead and camp and relax. Now let me show you what I've built. So here we have our seated area. Merlin's little area down below. He's on guard at the moment because there's a few flies in here. The door open. So our seated area, it really is a wonderful, nice comfy seats, big square cushions, the drop down table, which could go, it could drop down and be made into a bed area, but I've chosen not to. Nice 12-volt fan, that's only on the first setting. It can go really strong, and it's a very great asset in the van. And then we've got our clothing and utility cupboards, the 75 litre dual zone fridge, much better economically on power when we're working on 350 watts of solar and 200 amp hours of lithium batteries. Then we have the shower toilet. So we've built these walls up. The door is yet to come. Yes, there will be a door. I'm just taking my time. So here we have the shower toilet, and I'm using a handheld shower, Rose, and it'll be straight to the hot water system, which is tuned to the right temperature. So very simple. Then we've got the bedroom area, a nice little utilities area for charging station, reading light, makeup, etc. Nice light, airy curtains with lots of windows open. We basically have windows all the way around in this van, and that's what I really liked about it when I first saw it. I added the front one, which does add that cross flow, and of course pop tops are great because you get the added flow from above. Nice big sink and pump, soft close cupboards. I had the cupboards made and I designed how they were going to be. A lot of it was recycled timber that I had got myself. The actual shower was an old wardrobe which I pulled apart and I redid all the panels and then lined them. The walls you see are a German 3-ply, and they are waterproof, thermal proof and soundproof, as much as a 3mm can be. So they were well worth it. At $56 a sheet, they were a very good addition to this whole van renovation. So flooring is an ash vinyl tile, and yeah, I just really love it. It's nice and big, spacious, plenty of room in here for 2 people to walk side by side, and not squishy with that typical aisle down the middle of it. So it's a very exciting time for us, being 3 or 4 days. I'm just finishing packing it all up. Let's go outside. Merlin's always at my feet. Hey buddy, say hello. Says I'm on fly duty. Let's have a look outside. So we've put through a through boot in as well. If I just undo that, and you can see through boot with the fishing rods, a nice umbrella, chair, table, the hoses on the other side. We've got our towel drying racks, spare tyre, reverse camera from the front, so the car has been fitted out with Safety Dave reverse camera equipment. We increased the wheel size from 13 to 14 inch, so it lifted the van up. Got away from the wind down legs to a drop down legs, didn't we, Merlin? Hey? And we replaced the axle, the wheels, electric brakes of course on the van, and then replaced the drawbar, the hitch, the jockey wheel, and handbrake. All new wiring all throughout, and all new lighting. Everything's been redone, including the 240 volts. So new water tank, 85 litres, just really fantastic. So we're here to enjoy it. Thanks so much for your encouragement and your keeping in touch and just being there as friends. I've really appreciated it. Thanks so much. We'll stay tuned and we'll post another video when we've had an adventure. Bye for now. See ya. then. Come on.